Alright, geometry class, you have a test coming up this week on proving triangles congruent using side, 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 angle. But we have not yet really done it in proof form, so we're going to work on that today. So we're going to start with your two-column proof. The first thing you always write is the givens. So let's fill those in. We know C is the midpoint of AD and BE, so we'll write that. Okay, so C is the midpoint, but what does that mean? That means that AC is congruent to DC, and BC is congruent to EC. Definition of a midpoint. Sorry, this handwriting is really bad. Definition of a midpoint. So now, let's mark what we've got. These two are congruent. These two are congruent. And I can see right here that these two angles are congruent. By what theorem? Okay, so we're going to write that angle ACB is congruent to angle DCE. Notice we've got the two tick marks, angle, single, two tick marks, angle, single. When we do that. Do I have a different color here? So yeah, we went from order from double to single and then double to single. And it's not going to let me erase that. Anyway, so why are they congruent? By the vertical angle theorem. And now we have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So triangle ACB, I'm going to use the exact same order that I just used for the angle, is congruent to triangle DCE by side, angle, side. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Okay, in this one we've got two triangles sitting right on top of each other. Again, we're going to start with the givens. As always, you're just going to rewrite it. WZ bisects angle XZY and angle XWY. So let's fill that in. WZ bisects XZY. So these two angles are the same, and these two angles are the same. So we're actually halfway there. We've got angle, angle, and if we just could do the side in the middle, well, that side's the same on both sides because they're the same line, right? So let's fill in. Okay, don't forget the rest about the angles. So angle XZW is congruent to angle YZW. Oh goodness. YZW, because definition of a bisector. And the same on the other one. Angle XWZ is congruent to angle YWZ, definition of a bisector. And then ZW is congruent to ZW because of the reflexive property. So now we have enough information to prove these triangles congruent. We have angle, side, angle. So can I squeeze this down here? Triangle XZW. Now I went to the angle with only one arch first, so I gotta do the same on the other one. Is congruent to triangle YZW by side, angle, side. And that's all there is to it.